right, you guys, welcome back. This is part 14. This is the last and final video of this series. So if you're just tuning in for the first time, we're glad you're here. Love to have you. We try to do videos to help any and everybody, to help anybody that wants to learn, the public. It's just sharing with you our experience, strength, and hope throughout the years that we've been doing epoxy, the fails, the successes, and everywhere in between. We are at our finish here. This is going to be, we're going to install this piece in the basement that we are currently walking on. This is the in shower wall here where this is going. And we're going to show you this guy right here. This is our top coat. Okay, we have spent all this time, effort, walking this project from nothing all the way to what you see today, and we live by this. This is FX Shield. You can get this from Countertop Epoxy. This is a really awesome top coat, and I want to tell you the benefits of this top coat. So first, this top coat will run you about $82, and I know that's like, wow, 82 bucks. It's just a little vial. It stretches a really long way. What I want you to pay attention to is where the liquid is in the vial. Okay, I'm going to do this entire piece. We're still going to have some left over. It goes a long way. It's worth its weight in gold. And the reason we're going to put this on and add this is because it is going to add extra, a lot of extras. Okay, for one, the UV resistant, which really is not going to be playing a huge role with us. Okay, this is not outside. We would not recommend to do anything epoxy really outside. Over the years, it will start to break down. It will start to yellow. It won't do what you think it is. There is other products that you would want to use for anything going outside. So this is inside. So abrasion resistance, taking your watch off, setting it down on your kitchen counter, your bathroom counter, raking something across here, the abrasions, the micro scratches, anything like that. It's really gonna stimulate that part of it. Temperature resistant and extreme durability. So the average temperature that a project like this can take is around 500 degrees. This is going to add almost 300 degrees to that in this top coat. So now you're up around 800 degrees. And the durability is night and day. If you've ever had a problem in your finish, especially with tabletop resin, okay, complete cure of a tabletop resin, ours, its complete cure is 30 days. Now, 97% or so of your resin is in fact cured within 24 hours. It's the rest of that time frame, the 30 days, that it really takes to get that last 3%. So if you've ever spit out a countertop, a vanity, or something like that, and within the first week you're setting something on it, and you're walking away, and say you come back a couple hours later and you pick it up, and there's a little impression there of what you set on the surface, it's because it's not fully cured. 30 days is fully cured. When you set things on it after that 30-day window, it is still getting that last little bit of curing done. So I just wanted to point that out to you. If you've ever had that happen, that is probably why that is happening. After 30 days, that's not going to happen no more. Also, while we're going to show you here, all this takes, very simple process, takes just a little bit, tipping it over your microfiber towel. We are going to start just by buffing in little circles here, applying this. This is like a nano coating. So if you go to get a brand new cell phone, you go to the store, you get a brand new cell phone, instead of putting the screen protector on it, they have a liquid now that they pour a little bit on there and they wipe in little small circles. That is that nano coating. So a glass top to the eye looks solid and completely full all the way across. To a microscope, there are little bitty things you can't see with your eye there on the surface only. This is like a nano coating that fills in those little things that your eye can't see and actually completes that. So we would never let a resin project leave out of our shop going to a home somewhere without this top coat. That is just us. Something else I want to point out to you real quick. We had somebody reach out to us, just Cool 22. So that is their name on TikTok there. Just Cool 22 commented, "I have done a couple of river tables in the past. Your info is priceless. You make it look so easy. Well done." And I want to thank that person for reaching out, letting us know, showing that the classes we're doing and everything, that it is working. People are taking it. They're trying to learn the best they can, and we're all about helping you in your journey. So appreciate that person commenting, and it is, me and Tom have a lot of years in this, and it just gives us the opportunity to help others in their journey. Those people that are receiving the help, now they're going to be able to turn around and help others, and it's just a really cool process here, a really cool thing. So we can't be happy enough about it, and we hope this is definitely going to continue. After this project, we have another really cool one coming up that's about 17 foot long. Again, a lot of things are going to change. So I wish you could just watch one video, one series, and bam, you got it. Roll with it. Do whatever your heart tells you to do, but it's not that simple. When we change to do other things and other projects, there's other methods, there's other things that have to be done in that sense. So I'm going to start down here, and it's just like I told you here. You can feel it, okay? We're going to talk while we work. You can feel this. When you put the rag on here first with nothing on it, you can feel the rag drag some, as you would expect, across that area. It just drags a little bit. With this coating on here, you don't feel any more of that drag. This is the slickest, softest feeling that you could ever feel of something that appears like a glass finish. It is really that cool. Definitely worth its weight in gold. It is very hard to see this stuff, very hard. So I try to use the light to my benefit, and I try to pick an image, a picture. So we've got a really nice size picture right here. So for instance, I'm using this right here as my line, ending point, and then I make sure I go back into what I've already done over here. That way I make sure that I don't miss any of it. And you can see just a little dab here is all I did, and I covered, I've dipped this twice, and just in the 2 times I've dipped it, we're already this far along into our project. And what you're gonna feel after this gets buffed out, it takes 10 minutes. So almost the time that I get done with the project, I can almost safely start over and start buffing this right out. And in buffing this right out, it's the same thing as what I'm doing right now. Overlap as best you can. And, it is literally this simple. Then we're going to get our edges and all that here shortly. So look, I'm going to finish this up, and we're going to bring you right back for buffing it out and closing this video out. Give us just a minute. All right, you guys, so listen, we got about 45 seconds left. All I'm doing, clean microfiber towel. Just buffing it all out. So if this is anybody's first time tuning in, okay, this piece, bunch of other pieces right on our page. Go there. We do a series. We show you how to do this yourself so that this will help you in your journey. Okay, and as always, you guys, we appreciate you tuning in. We got a special one coming up starting tomorrow. Want you to tune in, be a part of that. Until the next one, we'll see y'all back real soon.